welcome to online class. So today we are going to discuss about the introduction of plants. So the introduction of classification of botany. So what is botany? So already you know. So the study of plants is called as botany. So the study of plant is called as the division. The study of plants can be classified into two types. One is external characters and another one is internal character. So what are the characteristic features of external character, including in the root, stem and leaf. So internal character, so the study of internal characters is called as anatomy. So the introduction of botany. So the introduction of botany of plant classification. So the classification is widely accepted for plants now. So the including in embryophyta. So the embryophyta. So what is mean by embryophyta? So embryophyta can be defined as embryo. So embryo means embryophyta including with all plants. So the seed and vascular tissues. So they are comprised or called as embryophyta. So the embryophyta which is divided into one is bryophyta and another one is tracheophyta. So the bryophyta, so the first land plants, the first land plants. So the bryophyta is also called as plant kingdom, amphibians of plant kingdom. So the tracheophyta. So the what is mean by tracheophyta? So the tracheophyta mean, so the tracheo means tracheary elements. Tracheary element. So what are the tracheary element? So the tracheary elements are the xylem and phloem. So the xylem and phloem is present. So they are called as the vascular tissues present plants are called as tracheophyta. So the latter is further the tracheophyta. The latter further divided into one is pteridophyta and another one is spermatophyta. So the spermatophyta is including in one is gymnospermae and another one is angiospermae. So the first of all the embryophyta can be classified into two division. One is bryophyta and another one is tracheophyta. So the tracheophyta further divided into two types. One is pteridophyta and another one is spermatophyta. So the spermatophyta again classified into two types. One is gymnospermae and another one is angiospermae. So the classification of plants. So the plant kingdom. So the plant kingdom can be classified into two division. So the subdivision one is cryptogamia. The subdivision two is phanerogamia. So the first of all cryptogamia. So what is meant by cryptogamia? In Greek word the crypto means hidden and gamia means marry. So the sexual characters are here hidden. So these plants are not producing into fruits and seeds. Here the sexual reproduction is absent. So they are called as cryptogamia or non-flowering plants. So the cryptogamia is otherwise called as seedless plants. So the non-flowering plants. And then phanerogamia. So the phanerogamia is also including in two Greek words. One is phanero and another one is gamian. So the phanero means visible, gamian means marry. So here the sexual characters are visible. So the sexual characters are visible and they are able to producing into flower. So the flowering plants. So phanerogamia is otherwise called as flowering plants. So the cryptogamia is further classified into one is thallophyta and another one is bryophyta and another one is pteridophyta. So what is mean by thallophyta? So the thallophyta, the word first of all used by hunger. So the thallophyta means, so the thallo means not differentiated into the root like, stem like and leaf like structure. So they are called as thallophyta. And another one is bryophyta. So the bryophyta first land plants, so otherwise called as the kingdom of Plantae. Amphibians of the kingdom of Plantae is called as bryophyta liverworts. And another one is pteridophyta. So the pteridophyta is always called as ferns. So the Phanerogames further classified into two types. One is gymnospermae and another one is angiospermae. So what is meant by gymnospermae? So the gymno means naked. So the gymno means naked and sperma means seed. So the gymno means naked and sperma means seeds. So the gymnosperm, conifers. So the gymno means naked seeded plants. Here the ovary is absent. So they are called as naked seeded plants, gymnospermae. And angiosperm. So what is meant by angio? So the angio means box. The angio means box. The sperma means seeds. So the closed seeded plant or fruit bearing plants is called as angiosperm. So the angiosperm is further classified into two types. One is monocots and another one is dicots. So what is meant by monocots? So the seeds is having with only one cotyledons, so they are called as monocots. Example, paddy and wheat, etc. And dicots. So the seeds containing with two cotyledons, so they are called as dicots. So example, bean and etc. So the Phalophyta is further divided into one is bacteria and another one is algae and another one is fungi and another one is lichen. So the first originated of earth is called as bacteria. So and another one is algae So the algae, so the plant body is not differentiated into root like, stem like and leaf like structure. So the algae and fungi. So the fungi is also heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Here the lack of chlorophyll pigment. So they are the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic, but the algae is autotrophic nutrition because so they prepare with their own food material. So they are autotrophic. And then lichens. So what is meant by lichen? So the lichen can be defined as the symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. The symbiotic relationship between algae and fungi. So they are called as lichens. So the algae are autotrophs. Already you know what is meant by autotroph. So autotroph is nothing. So the autotroph means which organism can be prepared with own food material with the help of photosynthesis. So they are called as autotrophs. So the algae grow in wide range of habitats. So what is meant by habitat? So where is the plant is lived. So they are called as habitats. So majority of them are, so the algae, majority of them are, one is aquatic. So majority of the algae is occurring in aquatic. So the water condition. And another one is marine. Okay, so the marine means the sea. So the marine, so what are the examples of in marine algae? One is Gracilaria and another one is Sargassum. One is Gracilaria and Sargassum, and other one is freshwater habitat. So the freshwater habitat is one is Oedogonium and another one is Elothrax. So the found in soil. So the one is Frigella and another one is Vaucheria. So the algae, so most of the algae are autotrophs. Autotroph means they can prepare with own food material with the help of green pigments. So they are called as autotrophs. So the habitat of algae is wide range of habitats. The algae are living with one is aquatic and another one is marine and another one is freshwater and another one is soil. So the marine, what are the examples of marine algae? One is Gracilaria and another one is Sargassum. What is freshwater examples of freshwater? Oedogonium and Elothrax. So the soil algae, Frigella and Vaucheria. So and then bryophytes. So the bryophytes are simplest land inhabiting cryptogames. So the restricted to most sandy habitat. So moist and sandy habitat. So the moist means semi-solid conditions of soil. So moist, sandy habitat. So the lake vascular tissue. So the lake vascular, what are they including in vascular tissue? One is xylem and another one is phloem. Already you know very well. So the xylem conducting into water and the phloem conducting into food material. So the and hence are called non-vascular cryptogames. Non-vascular cryptogames. So non-vascular cryptogame means so the vascular tissues are lack or absent. So they are called the bryophytes are also called as amphibians of plant kingdom. So what is mean by amphibian? So they are occurring as well as land and water. So the amphibians of plant kingdom because so they need water for complete their life cycle. So without water, so the fertilization is not going on into the bryophyte. So they are called as amphibian. So the male gamete producing into the sperm in water. So the sperms are swimming in the water and reach to the female gametophyte. So they are called as plant amphibians of plant kingdom. So today class is win. Thank you. We are see to for next class in gymnosperm, pteridophytes and angiosperm. Thank you, children.